So in this video, we are going to integrate 6 trigonometric functions. So the first thing we need to remember is the antiderivative of 6 trigonometric function. So the antiderivative of cosine x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Then the antiderivative of sin x dx is equal to negative cosine x plus c. And the antiderivative of secant squared x dx is equal to tangent x plus c. Then the antiderivative of secant x tangent x dx is equal to secant x plus c. And the antiderivative of cosecant squared x dx is equal to negative cotangent x plus c. And lastly, the antiderivative of cosecant cotangent x dx is equal to cosecant negative cosecant x plus c. So let's integrate this function. So let's have an example. Two cosine x negative minus sine x. So we have here the, the integral of 2 cosine x minus sine x is simplify the derivative of cosine x and sine x, which the antiderivative of cosine x is 2 sine sine x plus c. So just put down 2, then the antiderivative of cosine is sine x. Then next is the antiderivative of sine x, which is negative cosine x. Just bring down the negative sign, and the cosine x negative cosine x, the antiderivative of sine x, cosine x plus c. So the final answer would be 2 sine x multiply same sign, which would be positive, and cosine x plus c. So that's the final answer. So let's have another example. So we have here the integral of secant x times tangent x plus secant x. So the first thing we need to do is multiply this function with multiply secant x to tangent x, which secant x. So secant x tangent x plus secant x times secant x with secant squared x the dx and dx. So we will now have, so integrate this function, and we will now have the antiderivative of secant x tangent x is secant x, which will be secant x. The antiderivative is secant x it's secant x. Then the antiderivative of secant squared x is tangent x plus tangent x plus c. So that's the final answer of the how to find the integral or the integral of secant x multiplied by tangent x plus secant x squared.